Hey everyone, hi, this is Ria. Welcome back to Kamwali Academy YouTube channel. Today I'm going to let you know how to manage your maids, the management of maids. Handling domestic workers is the most challenging task. Many homeowners face the lack of proper management of the maid, result in having to change them several times annually. Changing maids often is tedious because you have to go through the entire extreme process of facilitating and inculcating them into the home system. Well, now I will let you know reason why maid leaves. Failure to compensate for the rest days you have requested the maid to work. Failure to provide them with a day of results when they are unwell. Overworking them. Underpaying them goes against the manpower. Inform them of what you expect to be done. Domestic maids, where handling of things is different. The maids have also worked in other homes which have their own sets of rule and schedule. It is therefore necessary to facilitate a new maid and give them directions. Giving proper training to a new maid will prevent problems in the future. As an employer, you will be not disappointed since the maid is aware the specific standards have to be maintained. And also, it would be best if you were consistent. Do not keep changing how you want things to be done. It confuses them. Let them perform their duties from a single handbook. Days off. There is many maids, they expect day off. As an employer, you need to keep you end of the bargain and give them their day off. Allow them to select the day they prefer to be their day off. However, one needs to offer compensation for working on their rest day. You have to be patient. Do not be frustrated by their inability to express themselves in English. Come up with a system where you both can understand each other. You have to trust your maid. This is the main point that you have to trust your maid. Many employers are not trust their maids. Continuously live in a fear world that the maid will rob them. You, however, need to show her that you trust her. Provide the maid with access to the house to gain her trust. Give the maid her own set of keys, provide her with a phone, and give her time. Trust is cultivated by being kind to her. Well, I will see you soon with another information, as I would like to inform you that Kamwali Buys is a service provider. If you are looking out for any service helper like housemaid, babysitter, nanny, patient caretaker, elder caretaker, you can directly contact to Kamwali Buys. Kamwali Buys will provide you someone as per your requirement with 3 replacement guarantee. You can contact us on the given number, or you can visit to our website, which is www.kamwalibuys.com. As I said, I will see you soon with another information. Till then, take care. And yes, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe, do share, like, comment on the video. Bye-bye.